Let's talk about the crisscross coverage approach to shooting two close-ups on the same side with two cameras, today on Camera Tutorials. My name is Timothy Reese, and I've worked in the television, film, and photography world as a director of photography and a photographer for nearly 20 years. Check out my videos as we cover not only the how, but also the why of various technical and creative techniques used in the creation of real images. On a recent 3-camera shoot, one of my setups required 2 cameras to capture an ISO of each individual being interviewed. In this situation, ISO refers to isolated, a fancy way of saying a single shot. We had 2 guests being interviewed, and traditionally, I would put the 2 cameras right next to my host and have the first camera shoot the subject to the left and the second camera shoot the subject to the right. However, my camera operator had an interesting theory that he had never tried, and we gave it a go. Instead of approaching the 2 cameras in such a manner as camera A shoots subject 1 and camera B shoots subject 2, we actually crisscrossed the coverage assignment so that camera A shot subject 2 and camera B shot subject 1. The effect of doing this was actually to average out the eye line differences towards the host so that both subjects had a similar eye line. By crisscrossing the coverage, you do need to keep in mind that it does change the background slightly for each camera, and in some cases one approach might work better than the other for that reason. I like the crisscross idea and feel that it works out well. For narrative work with 2 actors on the same side, I might go for the traditional way to shoot the single ISOs, as for some reason it would feel more right to me. Now, I did like this approach, and had I not heard my camera operator talking with another crew member, I might never have thought to try it. It's always good to keep your ears open on set, but more importantly, to invite collaboration and foster an open environment where the professionals you surround yourself with are encouraged to share ideas with you. The only thing I ask my crew is to come to me first with their ideas, so that a producer doesn't overhear and insist on doing something we might not be prepared for. What do you think about the crisscrossed approach to coverage in this way? Feel free to leave a comment below. And if you like these types of videos, please subscribe. Until next time, thanks for watching.